What is up, ladies and dickheads? Oh man, so I got something a little different for you guys today, and before I play it, I gotta give you guys a quick little backstory of it, let you know what you're gonna see and what's going on. So basically, when I was a little whippersnapper, around 13 years old, 12, 13 years old, I was growing up in on 8th Street in San Bernardino Ghetto down there. If you guys watch my videos, I've showed you my old apartments, the ghetto ass place. Well, I had a camcorder that I got at a pawn shop, like that ghetto ass pawn shop on Baseline. I have an 8mm camcorder that I still have to this day, right? And I remember I got it for like 40-50 bucks or something. I like pawned some shit for it as a kid. I don't even remember what it was, but I remember my mom took me to a pawn shop because I really wanted a camera. So even at a young age, I was wanting to make videos. And damn, I just drank like 2 cups of coffee on an empty stomach, and my fucking body is wired right now. I'm going to get food right now. And of course, this was around the very early 2000s, and around when Jackass came out. And at a young age, I was also fucking in love with CKY and all that good shit. If you guys know what CKY is, you guys know it's pretty much what started all the Jackass craze, I would say, back in the day. And of course, what does a bunch of kids that grow up fucking watching that shit do? We have a camcorder, we make our own little Jackass video. So there's a lot of this I'm gonna have to cut out, but you're gonna see good old pre-pube Baker and hear pre-pube Baker from the good old vintage days on 8mm film I was able to digitize. And here's pretty much everything I got. The sad part is that I'm so mad I recorded over half of it, and there was one of my favorite scenes of all time that we did where I got probably like the most hurt, where I got pushed down the sidewalk at full speed into a bush, and I straight fucking alley-ooped right onto my fucking head. And I remember that shit had me like, I was like almost folded when I hit the bush. I was laughing so fucking hard, dude. But oh man, I'm so mad that I recorded over that, but I still have like a good fucking hour of raw footy. So damn, why is this all packed here? So I'll be right back. I'll make my food. So as I was saying, I recorded a lot over it, and I missed my favorite one where I got pushed into that bush and looped into it. I'm kind of bummed I got a lot of that recorded over, to be honest with y'alls. I can't remember if we had another tape that I might be missing that has more shit, but if it does, don't worry, I'll make more of this shit with it. But oh, and one more thing, you might see like a date on the screen, like 2005, but this was actually earlier than that, because in 2005 I was in high school living in Riverside. So the dates are off in the video, so it is probably quite a few years earlier. Not quite a few years, just a few years earlier than what you'll see. But hey, and what's funny and gonna be hard to believe is every kid in this video, because we're all kids in this video, all of us are in our 20s and 30s nowadays. So it's gonna be an awesome flashback back to the days when we were all kids and did dumb shit. But hope you enjoy what I got so far.
Hey, go.
I'll do it myself. No, don't be gay like that. Party! No! Oh, the kick is out!
You throw up. You gonna throw up what?
I threw up right there. Hey.
Let's do some other shit.
Hey, hydraulics.
Stop, dude. I got eggs in my pants.
Oh, that's
Lick 'em.
disgusting.
Oh, whoa.
Like dick.
Say, who the fuck you calling them?
2.
Say, hey, lady.
You got that?
Okay, this is Danny, the one in our film crew. Look how gay he looks. Fuck you. Look at this shit. Oh my god, stop. Look at that. I cannot believe that.
Cheat, cheat, cheat.
Oh, my leg!
Oh. Beautiful guitar. This game's gay. Never play that. Fat ass. Okay, well, Danny is gonna be tied up to these wires, and we're gonna. Okay, what we're gonna do is Christian Medina is gonna fall. Okay. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna.
Mom!
Shut it. Ta-da! Oh! Prostitute. Prostitute. Zoom in.
The fuck you guys doing in my house, bitches?
What did you guys cook today? Dirty. What else?
Beto!
I was just doing the usual
Hey, are you
thing.
Christian Medina?
Yeah.
You got one?
Harder. Harder. Harder.
You know what, Christian? Fuck this shit. Look, my hand already bruised. It's already purple. That shit
Look
fucking
at Christians. Look at the difference. Nah. His is brown. For me.
Oh! my jaw cracked.
Damn, I'm scared. Peace out.
Let's go. Hey, but I need to go fast. Good.
They're giving away tickets.
Yeah, they're giving away tickets. You wanna come? Get the fuck off me, Jose.
Let's go. Come on, I wanna go, dude.
You wanna go? What we're gonna do is, there's a fucking huge ass protest downtown. We're gonna go film this shit. It's fucking crazy. You will be amazed. This is going down in the book of history. We're on the way over there right now. We're on 5th and Arrowhead, which is this intersection right here. And we're gonna go there right now, and you will be amazed. As you can see, there's people already down there. Fuck you, Danny, you little bitch. I'm laughing your ass, Tristan. As you can either see, they're starting to come up here. Go through the green! Go through the green! Go through the green light, biatch! Woo. Damn! Where should we go? Straight, come on, follow me. I wonder if the FBI cars are still there. Oh! What the fuck? Where'd everybody go? Watch out for the cars behind you. Holy shit.
Did he say you guys are from Mexico?
Oh shit, I'm a white Mexican. No, I'm only kidding.
I'm white and white.
No, I'm defending my boyfriend. That's all I gotta say.
I don't know who I'm defending. He's just so fast. What?
Damn, look at all the cops out there. Oh shit. Just follow the cops, they know where they're at. Just follow the cops, they know where they're going. Look your fucking ass. I gotta film this shit. Daddy, stay back, stay back.
Yeah, keep the flag.
That way. You want to cross? What the hell? They're taking them more.
Monkey, right?
I guess that was the end when they were all in front of the city hall.
Why is it? Why are the
All this shit.
How you guys doing?
Well guys, hope you enjoyed it. A good old vintage pre-poop BXD action. Like I said, man, if I find another hidden tape somewhere from those days, I'll gladly edit it up, share it with y'alls. But that being said, you guys all have yourselves a motherfucking fantastic night. All links will be down below if you guys want to support a dickhead like me and get some of my merch, whatever it may be. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the fuck out of that like button. You guys have a real good day. I'll see you guys later.
Unforgivable.